For our portrait project, we're going to be drawing a lot of different values. So we're going to be using the black and white picture to work from, and you're going to notice there's a lot of the darker shading, and then it gets lighter over on this side of the face. So you see a lot of different values. Values meaning the lightness and darkness of a color. So what we're going to do is we're going to create a value scale. So you're going to start on one side and you're going to label it dark. And then the other side, you're going to gradually come to the lighter value. So what you're going to do when you shade, you always want to shade holding your pencil like this, not like you're going to write. You want to hold your pencil this way so that you can use the side of the lead rather than the tip of the lead. And what you want to do is you're going to do a pressure blend, just kind of like we did when we did our perspective, and we were doing the color blends and the pressure blends in order to change or to get the colored pencil techniques. So you're going to start off with a lot of pressure, nice and dark, and then you're going to gradually start to lighten up the pressure of your pencil, but you want it to be gradual so that you're not seeing a harsh difference or like a stripe in between your values. But you should be seeing about 10 different values by the time the pressure of your pencil is so light that you barely see. And you're just going to keep going across, lightening up, lightening up. Until it is basically nothing left. So it gradually goes from very dark all the way until there's basically no pencil anymore. So you would label this side light, and you'll see about 10 different values as you go from dark to light. Once you've got your value scale done, then what you're going to do is you're going to get a half sheet or a half of a portrait, and you're going to tape it down on both sides right here. Once you've got it taped down, you're going to try and fill in the other side of the face by looking at the different values that you see on this left side of the face. So I've got an example finished, and what you're going to do is basically look at the values, and where there's those real dark darks, you're going to have the real dark darks. In between the teeth are going to be really dark, but the teeth are going to be much lighter. You're going to see a little bit of the shadow underneath, so you're going to create a little bit of shadow underneath for that lip to kind of pop out and be more three-dimensional. So you're going to go ahead and fill all of that in with using all the different values, and you should see about 10 different values at least, and you can use your value scale to try and kind of figure out how light or how dark those values should be from the face.